Want to make money online? If you're any kind of business, the answer should be yes, because online marketing is mandatory. It is true that before COVID-19, and it's even more true now, more and more people are online, and once online, they're spending more time online. Even if you're not a business person, if you're interested in a little side hustle or in a way to make money from home, one option is to explore how to make money online. What you need is a website and a web presence. Introducing GrooveFunnels. GrooveFunnels includes two sub-modules: GroovePages, which is used to create web pages, and GrooveSell, which allows you to sell and offer upsells and downsells. Absolutely free, without entering a credit card. You can get access to the best free software of 2020 and 2021 to build your website. So why do I say GrooveFunnels software is better than free? Because once you get the free software, you can make money offering other people the software who end up upgrading. When you sign up for the free software, you're automatically signed up as an affiliate who can refer other people. This means you can make money without spending any money. So yes, you can get the software for free. And yes, you can make extra money for free. Of course, there is a paid upgrade option. The upgrade gives you more website templates and more functionality that can make it easier to make money from home. And once you upgrade, you make a higher percentage and even more money when the people you refer pay for the upgrade. And right now, there's a great deal on the upgrade. You pay a one-time price and you're in for life. Starting the 1st of September in 2020, prices increase. The one-time price increases and will eventually be eliminated altogether. And then once it's eliminated, at that point, all the upgrade options will be a monthly subscription. Check it out. Get your better than free software now. You have nothing to lose since the software is free. Enter email and click or tap below.